Alright, so I want to show you guys how to fix these sagging bumpers on these Tahoes, Yukon, Suburbans, all that kind of stuff. So a lot of times you'll buy them, they'll have like that sagging bumper. So I already fixed this side. Yeah, so that's pretty hideous. But all you need is a jack and a piece of a 4x4. So there's a piece of metal. I should have turned the wheel for you guys, but there's a piece of metal here, and I'm gonna stick the, let me see if I get a better angle. There you go. So that bar right there, I'm gonna stick the jack right here. I'm gonna jack up on that slowly, and I'm gonna jack that up until this touches this, and then I'm gonna let it down, and it's gonna be about the perfect height. So I'll get it all set up, and then I'll bring it back so you guys can see it. So we just bought this, so I'm gonna probably start doing some videos on this. I think I'm gonna turbo this one. I'm gonna change the wheels. I'm gonna tint the 2 front windows, maybe change the lights and do a bunch of cool stuff. Who knows? I'm definitely gonna put the different Chevy emblem in it and all that, but maybe debadge the side or something. But one thing at a time. But we're gonna start off with this bumper, so I'll be back whenever I get this jack and everything all set up. Alright, so I have it all set up. So that's pretty much just how I have it. Now, for some reason this side, I guess it sets a little lower. Maybe I need to check my shocks or whatever, but I couldn't fit this side under there. With the board, it was too short, but the other side still had like, I could fit it and fit like an inch, so I'm gonna have to check over that, see what's up with that. But it is real loose in the front end whenever you drive it, so it feels like it's like swaying all over the place. But nonetheless, let's just see. So I did have to put this side on a jack stand kind of low. But yeah, so I'm just slowly jacking this thing up. Just barely. I want to go a little bit past it, so as soon as it touches, I'm gonna let it go. Right there. So you see it's touching barely. Now look at the gap. So now that's perfect. So now both sides are good. But it ain't bad. I normally don't buy the older style ones, but I kind of miss the Yukon I had. And this one's pretty decent. We paid $9.50 for it. It's got this little rust spot on I think both sides. I'll have to look. And then it's got 2. I thought it only had one side, but apparently both sides have a little dent on the fender. So, oh yeah, so this one, this spot is right here for the rust spot. But I mean the rockers are all still good. Yeah, so like it's got that little dent. So I'm gonna try to find some fenders the same color. If not, probably have Jeff at Custom Auto maybe paint me some fenders to match or something. But I only paid $9.50 for it, and it needed a fuel pump. But it's pretty clean. You know, I got about 1,100 into it. I'm gonna make a bunch of videos on, you know, just slowly fixing things. And oh, the door's locked, of course. But yeah, I mean, it was a family car. I didn't even clean it yet. This is exactly how it came. So it's not bad. I got 3rd row seats. Came with the Kenwood radio, all good speakers all the way around it. Even a little subwoofer in the back's new. So it sounds good, it runs good. All in all, I'm pretty happy with it. Like I said, I've been driving the newer Yukons and Tahoes and Denali's and shit for a while, but and then I just want to let y'all see it just to make sure you see it's down all the way too, so you don't think I was trying to trick you. But yeah, so, but I just wanted to make a quick video on how to fix the bumper, sagging bumper. So now you see, it's nothing to it, y'all. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching.